Hey there, this is Jim at Rhino Tuff Steel Targets, and I wanted to make a short video just on how to mount your target after you buy it from me in this offsetting kit that I provide. The offsetting kit consists of 2 grade 5 bolts, carriage bolts, 2 spacers, 2 extension wings so you can hook onto them, 2 nylock nuts, and 4 washers. And the washers are somewhat interchangeable with these. If you don't want to use the extension ears, then you can use these. And anyhow, this is a 12-inch hanging target, 3/8 AR 500. And just in case if anybody has a question on how this works, I wanted to show you. And the only thing that you need in addition to this is provided with the target, you're going to need some kind of clips. You're going to need a 3/4 inch socket or a wrench. I use that just because it's easier. And then you got to hang it somehow. And you can see how I hang it. I just got a couple pieces of links of chain and a clip, but you can hang it any way you like. I wanted to show you the angle. You use a bigger spacer than on the 12-inch, and then also this one is hooked up, and the other option where you just use 2 washers and you sandwich the chain in between the washers. So instead of using the hook, you just do this. So I just wanted to show you that. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and mount the 12-inch just like you would get it from me in the package. So grab your target and put the bolt through the face just like that. Put the spacer on the back just like that. Now on the extension wing, a little ear I guess you call it, the diameters of the 2 holes are slightly different. So use the smaller of the 2 holes. See, they both work, but use the smaller of the 2 holes and put the nut on and tighten it down. And now all you got to do is keep the ear somewhat straight, up and down. So let's see how we're doing here. We're off a little bit. Let's back that up here. And tighten it down pretty good, So that's what it looks like after it's all done. So you can see the bolt came through the front, spacer, the extension ear, and the nut. That's all you got to do. So let's do the other side. So here's your 1/2-inch bolt. Goes through the face just like that. Put your spacer on. Again, the smaller of the 2 holes. See, that's the smallest. See, it fits pretty close to the 1/2-inch bolt. It's slightly bigger and a 1/2-inch diameter. Okay, tighten it down. Again, get it pretty straight. I mean, it's not super important to get it real straight, but and then take your clips, whatever you might have, put those on like so, and then hang your target. So hook it on your chain. There's one. There's the other, real quick. And done. So real easy to hang it, and anyhow, my little mounting system here, we can spread these apart a little bit. So there you go. If you get a good shot of that, you can see how it should look when it's hanging. And from the back side, this is what it looks like. And so it hangs at about a 20-degree angle, and there's a couple advantages to doing this. One advantage is that when the bullet strikes the target, all the fragments, well, I don't know if I can say all, but the majority of the fragments go into the dirt directly below the target. And then the other advantage is, as the bullet strikes it, instead of being a flat surface, being slightly angled, it allows the bullet to somewhat skid off of the target. So this one, of course, by being 45 degrees, dissipates much more of the energy. And so that's why the weird shape. It's an elliptical shape. And so at a distance, it will appear relatively round. Anyhow, I have found that this works better on these targets. It's easier on the target, and it's a little safer. You're pretty sure where all the fragments from the bullet are going. They're going down into the ground. So I hope that explains how to mount this. And well, if you have any questions, just email me. And this is Jim from Rhino Tuff Steel Targets, and I want to say thanks and goodbye.